guys, so for today's video I am doing a first day of school makeup, hair, and outfit. So this is the makeup, hair, and outfit I did on my first day of school. So you can keep watching if you want to see that. So for the outfit that I wore on my first day of school, I chose this gray sweater with red, white, and blue stripes on it from Hollister. Then for my shoes, I chose these cheetah print slides from Steve Madden. So for my pants, I chose these jeans from American Eagle. So for my makeup, I started out with applying toner, then I used the Baby Skin Pore Eraser to get rid of my pores, then I started applying my foundation from Benefit. After that, I used my concealer from Kat Von D. After I was done with that, I started applying my Sephora powder. Then I took the Anastasia Brow Powder Duo to fill in my brows. Then I used the Sephora bronzer. After that, I applied blush from Milani. Then I put on my mascara. Then I put white in my inner corners. After that, I used more Too Faced eyeshadow. Finally, I applied my mini lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And then finally, I applied my Kat Von D setting spray. So for hair, I started braiding my hair, and then after it was braided, I took a ribbon to tie it up with, and then my look was complete. Okay, so that was the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, you should like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on my Twitter and Instagram. Add me on Snapchat because I had every single person bag. And my goal of the year is to hit 20,000 subscribers. We're really far from that goal, and we're not far from the end of the school year. So that would be like really cool if you like share this video with some people so that I could get there faster. Okay, I think that's all I have to say. So goodbye.